How to get time difference as minutes in Excel? I have time values in two cells in an Excel sheet, and I need the difference of the times in minutes. The cells in the Excel are like below. A is the start time, B is the end time, C is the time difference, B1A1, which is displayed in HH, MM, SS format. A and B calls are formatted as custom HH, MM, and cell C is formatted as custom HH, MM, SS. But I need to get in the value in cell C1 as 105 instead of 1 hour and 45 minutes. Could you please help in displaying time only in minutes and giving the right format?
Just format your C cell as HH column MM.
Just set the cell to be shown in numerical format and it will show a decimal number. The integer part corresponds to the date value, i.e. the day, and the decimal part to the time of the day. If you multiply the numerical value of 145, which is 0.07, by 24 by 60, the number of hours in a day and the number of minutes in an hour, you will obtain the value in minutes of your cell, 105.
Just format your cell as mm. The square brackets around the mm tell Excel to show the total rather than what will be shown if you took the total hours off. The brackets also force Excel to interpret mm as minutes, not as the month. Without the brackets, m and mm refer to the month if not preceded by h or hh for hours or followed by ss for seconds. So, where 1 column 45 column 00 with format column ss will ignore the hours and show 45 column 00, both m column ss and column ss will show as 105 column 00, and both m and will show 105, where m and will show 12, being the month of Excel's default date, which is December 31st, 1899. This also works for hours and seconds. Like 27 column 10 column 59 with h column will show 3 column 10, but both h column and hh column show 27 column 10, while both h and hh show 27. And s will show 59, but s gives 97859.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.